guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have my slime here today. So it's really good. It is still sticky, and I'm gonna let it sit because I think that will help, because it helped with the other slime that I made, but that got all hard. So this is my second slime, and it is better actually. My friend said second slime's always better. I hope this doesn't leave sparkly. Yeah, it's gonna leave sparkles. I'll clean that up. It likes this hand better. So yeah. So as you can see, it's still kind of sticky, and it's sticking to me, and it likes my right hand better. I don't know why. Or maybe, hold on. So, I think I'm going to call this rainbow poop. Would you look at that? There's a cat here. So, yeah, not rainbow poop, unicorn poop. Wait, does rainbows don't even poop. And unicorns aren't. Wait. So, I'm not allowed to bring this on carpet, and I understand why I'm not. First of all, it's sparkly, and the glitter would come off probably, and second of all, it's stretchy. Oh, see what it's like, or not stretchy, sticky. So my dad fixed it, so thank you to my dad because he fixed it, so shout out to my dad. He probably won't watch this, but sorry guys, I'm in your way right now. Some of the slime got over here. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna have to clean the camera. When I'm done with it. Really stretchy and sticky, or pokey. You know, stretchy, sticky, and pokey. Ah, get off. It's not that slime that you squish because it's really sticky. It's not that slime that you do that with because it's super sticky. It's the slime that you just poke. And sure, maybe you can stretch it. I don't know. Chris, do you see what happens to you? It's an oozing mess. You can make the slimes different than this, where it doesn't ooze everywhere and make a mess. But this is the slime that I have right now. The slime that I made with my dad yesterday. I saw people on YouTube playing with slime like this. Like, it's not exactly what you do. They weren't doing this, they were just like, it's like, oh my gosh, people, do you know how to play with slime? So I cannot believe this worked, because it was like ruined, and my dad looked up how to fix it. And also, I put it in the freezer, which helped it too. So if you have really sticky slime, put it in the freezer for a while. I put mine in for like about 25 minutes. I did 10 minutes, then 5 minutes, then 10 minutes again. And then my dad he put like detergent in it since we didn't have liquid starch. he put a little bit in at a time because a lot will ruin it. So, because I learned it the hard way, I wasted a whole blue bottle on it, actually. So it's actually a really pretty time. Oh, darn. Get it off. Oops. So I'm actually gonna get down and play it off camera. I'm not doing a voiceover, I'm actually talking. I can't do voiceovers, I don't know how. So, bye guys, please click like and subscribe. And in the comments, let me know different names for the slime because I don't know if unicorn poop is a good one or not. So yeah, bye!